That becomes a political showdown. There's already a BJP JDS Padyatra. Remember, that's been happening. It's day 2 of that. Opposition leaders from both BJP and JDS began Padyatra to mount pressure at the Siddaramaiah government amid what they're saying are back-to-back scam allegations. There is a Muda scam, there's a Valmiki Corporation scam, and other scams allegations coming in too. So this Padyatra, which is walking basically as a protest, began in Bengaluru yesterday and will over the week cover Ramnagar, Mandya and Mysuru. BJP slamming Congress for failing to give a corruption-free Karnataka, accusing the state government of looting even scheduled tribe and scheduled caste development funding. And BJP Karnataka chief B.Y. Vijendra accusing the chief minister that he's in fact the main beneficiary of this whole Muda scam. Remember that whether Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar or Siddaramaiah have refuted all these allegations. They are saying in fact this whole Muda scam, Muda transfers that were done, which are now being called scam, happened during the BJP tenure, and all of this is a non-issue. But the opposition have now indulged in a Mysuru Yatra, Mysuru Chalo, all of that is happening in the state.
It's the second leg of the BJP Padyatra from Bangalore to Mysore. And today, the BJP is in Biddi. And on the stage right up there is BJP State President Vijendra, flanked by Sunil Kumar, who is the former minister. And next to him is the former Deputy Chief Minister Ashwath Narayan. The entire state leadership of the BJP, along with JDS state leadership, have gathered here for the Padyatra. They are going to be walking all the way from Mysore, from Bangalore to Mysore. The Congress state leadership, including the likes of Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar, are directly involved under charges of corruption. And what the BJP is demanding is resignation of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and also the Deputy Chief Minister. And that's Nikhil Kumaraswamy on your screens. He's also making his way to the dais to accompany the BJP state leadership, because this is a joint protest between the BJP and the JDS, trying to put off a show of strength against the Congress government, demanding for Siddaramaiah's resignation. With camera person Madhuwar, Anaga Keshav reporting for India Today from Biddi.
See, in Karnataka, officers are committing suicide. Contractors for non-payment, they are committing suicide. And today, yesterday, the Parashuram PS has committed suicide because he was not able to fulfill the demands of the local MLA, bribe money. He could not pay the bribe money. This is a state of affairs here in the state of Karnataka. The same Congress party which had promised they will provide a corrupt-free government, today they are involved in so many corruption, so many scams.